Hello everyone. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a new user account in Windows 10. For this, move to search bar and type settings. Open settings by clicking this open button. Now in settings section, you should click on accounts option. Here, family and other users, click this option. In this section, you will find an option of other users. Add someone else to this PC. Click on it. After clicking it, Microsoft account window will open. Here, Microsoft asks you how will this person sign in. Click this. I don't have the person sign in information. Now, Microsoft asks you to create an account. Here, you should provide add a user without a Microsoft account. Click this option. Enter the username you want to write in this section. I am writing user2. Now here, enter your password. Here, re-enter your password. In case you forgot your password, here you need to fill these options like security question 1 and their answer. This process is helpful when you forget your password. Like I'm selecting what was your first pet name. In answer section, write something like tiger. In security question 2, select this, what's the name of the city where you born. I'm entering Mars. Just kidding. In third question, what was your childhood nickname? I'm entering Newton. That was really my childhood nickname. After clicking it, your user2 account is successfully created. Now you should check it. Click this window option and under account section, click this. In account section, click this your new created user account. Now it will brings you in lock screen window. Select your user account and type password here. You will log in your new user account.